Transform your WordPress site into an intelligent assistant with a free AI chatbot in under 2 minutes. First, log into your WordPress administrative dashboard, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and hover over Plugins, then click on Add New. In the plugin search bar, type AI chatbot or a similar relevant term to find available options. Scan through the results to identify a reputable and well-rated plugin. Once you've found a plugin that suits your needs, click the Install Now button. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin for you. After the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the chatbot functionality on your website. You should now see the chatbot plugin listed in your sidebar. Click on its name to access its settings and configuration options. Here, you can customize your chatbot's behavior. Some free plugins might require you to connect to a third-party AI service, which often has a free tier. Follow the plugin's instructions to set this up, which might involve obtaining an API key. Many free chatbots allow you to set custom greetings, answer frequently asked questions, or even integrate with simple knowledge bases. Spend a few moments personalizing these settings to match your website's content and your users' needs. Finally, visit your website's front end to see your new AI chatbot in action. Test it by asking a few questions to ensure it's responding correctly and engaging with your visitors effectively. By adding a free AI chatbot, you're boosting user engagement and providing instant support, ultimately enhancing your website's user experience and your brand's reputation. Share this tutorial and start building a smarter website today.